So we land at the home page where we can find a bit of introduction about what we do and as well as a demo video that can help us to navigate through the website. Now, once we have logged in, we arrive at this particular screen. So we can see a couple of navigation links here. So let's go by one each. So when you click on the trends, you'll be able to see a table that has minimum selling price of all the crops that's popular to the region of Karnataka. So minimum selling price is defined by the government once in a year. So we have taken the data from a trusted website and we have added it in the form of the table. So it is convenient for the users to know what is the minimum selling price that they can offer to their customers. So this is about the trends page. Now let's get into business, that's the trade section. So when you click on the trade section, so you can either sell your crop or you can buy a crop. So now let's assume a case where you want to sell a crop. So if you have to sell a crop, you have to add certain details. Now let me just go and add wheat and I'll say there are about 50 quintals and each I'm now offering at a price of 3000 per quintal. And I'll add my phone number here, India, Karnataka, and I'll say I'm from Dakshin Kannada and this is my pin code. So it says item added successfully, and at this point of time you can also check your phone that you will have a message received telling you have successfully placed an offer. So you have offered something to your customer, so you will receive a message for the same. So let's add one more crop. So maybe this time a different crop. So with a different quantity and price. So I'll say 4000 and then the phone number is same. And the Karnataka district, I'll Dakshin Kannada and then this. I will offer. So the same procedure, it worked. So you'll receive one more message saying whatever is there. So now if you look at your analytics page, and you can see like there are 3 sections. So now you don't see anything in sale or bought, but instead if you go to in sale, you'll be able to see whatever you have placed. So it's nothing but you have placed wheat and you have placed a paddy. So now let's see how buy works. Okay, so if you want to buy a crop, now when you click on buy, if you click on let's say wheat, and then you say this is your region and let's change the district to Udupi and then this is the pin code. So it's different from what the farmer's area is. So I'll give search. So usually when there are multiple cards, the cards will be recommended to you on the basis of distance. So whatever is close to your location, that will be recommended first. So the distance is calculated by using pin code. So there's a code written for that. So the recommendation, distance based recommendation will work on that way. So now let's say you wanted to buy this wheat. So if you click on buy now, it says item bought successfully. Now at the same time, the buyer will receive that, since this time the buyer is you yourself will receive a message telling you have bought a product. So for further communication, you can contact the farmer, where the message will have detailed information of the farmer. Now if you go and check your analytics page, you can see what you have sold, you can see what you have bought. At the same time, you can see whatever is in sale. So this is how it is gonna work, the trade section. Now, let's say if you are not comfortable with English, if you want to switch languages, you can switch to different languages. So you can see that every single page has changed the language. So, there is one more option of switching to Konkani. So you can see how every page has changed. So this is the one. Now let's say if you have any issue with so what you can do is you can simply contact us here. You can fill in your name, phone number, subject and put a message, or like the message can be a feedback, query or issue or anything. You can just contact us in this particular section. And then if you go to the profile, let's say you wanted to edit something. Let's say you wanted to change your name. So you just have to edit the name and save the profile. So automatically the profile will be updated. So along with that, so this is about the entire website navigation. So in case you're done with your operations, you can just log out by clicking on profile and log out.